Alright. Okay.
Salutare, dragilor, sunt Mihai Daniel, bun venit pe canalul meu. Astăzi l-am alături de mine pe Anson din Malaysia. O să-i fac intro corespunzător imediat, dar mai întâi vreau să-i transmit soției mele astăzi la mulți ani de dragobetele nostru, o iubesc, și să vă doresc tuturor celor care mă urmăriți să aveți parte de iubire, fericire, cum am și eu de 21 de ani. Astăzi avem un episod extrem de interesant cu Anson, în care vom vorbi despre un proiect în care poți câștiga criptomonede cu valoare reală dacă tranzacționezi. Menționez că nu este o promovare a unui proiect în care trebuie să investiți, nu necesită nicio investiție. De asemenea, trebuie să menționez că invitatul meu de astăzi, Anson, este Quant la Bybit. Vom face un episod ulterior despre ce înseamnă Quant și despre cum influențează Quant piața cripto. Însă astăzi vom vorbi despre trader Dao. So, Anson, thank you for accepting my invitation.
Thank you. Thank you for
Today
having
we have a dedicated episode regarding the trader Dao, the project, and about what is this project proposing for traders. So I will let you introduce yourself, and we will start.
Sure. Okay.
Talking.
All right. Okay, thank you, Daniel, again. So thank you for having me here. And first of all, happy Valentine's Day to all the Romanians here. Okay, I'm happy to have this interaction with you guys. So my name is Anson, and actually for this episode of the podcast is to introduce a bit the concept of trader Dao. And as Daniel mentioned, I'm a quant for Bybit and other exchanges. So we do statistical arbitrage, we do market making for those exchanges. But maybe you guys, if interested in quant topics, maybe you can comment down below and let Daniel know. So maybe I can come here again to share more with you guys. But today we will talk more about trader DAOs. So trader DAOs, the slogan is saying that it's a DAO for traders by traders, because I myself as a trader. So as we all know, in the trading scene, only two type of people have the privilege. Once, if you are KOLs or influencers, you have a big traffic on your personal branding so that you can get a lower fees. The second type of people is that you're having a big trading volume. So this is kind of unfair to those normal people, because I also start from zero. So when we're doing as a normal trader, the trading fees is very high. So let's say normal traders just need to give $10, but for the big guy, you just need to give $1. It's kind of not make sense. So let's say $10 subtract to $1 minus $1 is called there's $9 margin we have. So we are trying to, because we have the big accounts, so that we have the margin. So we have decided to give back this $9 back to all the community. So through Trader DAO, we are trying to distribute back all these benefits or so-called trading fees back to the community, but in the form of tokens. So what's the difference giving back tokens? Because as we all know, in the scenes, there's a lot of exchange doing trade to earn concept. Trade to earn basically is also giving back the rebate, but they are giving in USD, and it's one time, it's static. Why I say it's static is because it doesn't have a great bonding with the project itself. And we use the concept called proof of trade. So what we want is that as you can prove that you have a good trading volume, you can get more out of token of this from Trader DAO, because we will distribute 50% of our trading fees back to the community. And actually total is 95%, just that 50% is going to mint token and do the overbacking stuff. I will show you the illustrations for now. Let me share it. Yeah, okay. So as I mentioned, actually we will distribute back 95% of the so-called trading fees to the community. But for today, I will just mention this POT, which is our first USP, okay, unique selling product, which is we're gonna launch on 1st of March, okay? So for the 50% of the trading fees, as you can see, we'll all go into the treasury for the purpose of minting for token or POT, and also overbacking asset for the POT. What is the overbacking? Let me show you. Because now we already officially partner with Bybit, because actually I already work with Bybit for 4 years, I think, okay, because I myself the influencers and KOL as well, and also market makers. So we have a deal, and we have get this trading fees, okay, we can get the trading fees, and we do make the trading fees and giving back to the community by the token. So at the maximum of the trading fees in a 50%, the maximum there will be 40% will going in as an overbacking asset. Okay, so let's say I'm a trading fees, I earn a trading fees about $1,000, so 50% is $500. So maximum $400 I will go in as the treasury for overbacking. So for the balance of $100, you can mint it out 1-to-1 as the POT token. So the initial price of the POT token is going to be 0.0001, okay, 3 decimal of 0. Okay, so the flow is like this. The $100 is going to mint, so that $100 divided by 0.0001 is around 10K of tokens. Okay, so 10K of tokens after I'm minting out in the circulation of markets. So the remaining $400 balance I will go in the treasury for backing purpose. So that as you can see, the token that minted out comparing to the cash going into the treasury is not balanced. As you can see, this will pump up the base price. So that this is the next thing. As this mechanism go on and on, it will definitely attract more community, because you can get back what you shouldn't have in the normal trading accounts. But if you trade on TraderDAO, but I want to emphasize that is if you trade on TraderDAO, but you still using on Bybit, okay, you still use Bybit for trade, but you just register the account on TraderDAO, so that we will give you a Bybit account so that you trade on the Bybit, and you can entitle for this POT token minting for free. Okay, so I need to emphasize, you don't want to buy any token here, okay, to be firm, because since you can get token for free, there's no point you go to like buy the token. There's no point unless you are not a trader. This is for people that from outside, they are speculator or opportunists, they can buy. Okay, but for here, we are a trader, we don't do this. It's kind of like stupid. If you can get it free, why you need to pay up something to get this free tokens? So for this free token, you go and just do what you are doing daily, which is trading, but you do it on TraderDAO, and you can get the free token, and this token, the backing price will keep going up. As you can see, because more trading volume, more profit, more trading fees, and mean the base price will keep going up. Okay, so of course the base price is like in this linear line, and of course there will market price, because there's some people will always set up the LP pool and the DEX, and they can trade at the premium. So please don't buy at the premium. Okay, this is a thing we can't control because it's decentralized. They can mint out the token, they can set the price, but we just trade on the backing price. So since that the backing price is going to appreciate, go on and on, what is the end game? What is the next thing? Or what if people exit the market? Surely there will be people that exit the market and dump the price. So when the people dump the price, there's only two scenarios. The first scenario, they just trade on the premium, there's nothing happen. The second scenario is that what if they dump the price and break down below the backing price? So in the TraderDAO, we have the redemption mechanism, so that we have the window that for you to redeem, and you can redeem back the price based on the official backing price, because the backing price is very simple. It's basically the treasury cash divided by the circulation of the POT token in the markets. So they will get the base price. So let's say that at the secondary market, the price is below backing price. We have you can go to our TraderDAO redemption window. You just sell it as the base price 1-to-1. So because the secondary price is lower, there's arbitrager. You buy back and push back up the price gap. Okay, so first is arbitrager, or you sell at the official redemption window. You can go there to buy back at the cheaper price, so you can like earn back the gap. Actually, there's a spread. It's a profit to you. So this is some kind of protection mechanism. This will protect the price to stay at the backing price. Okay, because it's a conflict of interest for people like to dump like no-brainer and to sell it at the lower price, which is lower than the backing price. So this is the first effect of that, how we protect. And the second effect is that if people exit the market, they sell the token, they dump the token, as you can see, at the particular time, the price will not change much, because when the price is going down, because you sell the token to the market, the token in the market circulation is going down, and also the treasury cash is also like giving back to the people who want to exit the market is also decreasing. So it's equilibrium. The price of the backing price is not going to change much. But one thing's changed. What the things is changed is the token supply in the market is decreasing. So because we know that the community will not like just disappear in one day. Okay, the community keep trading, the volume keep trading, the profit keep coming in, the trading fees keep coming in, then the backing requirement for the circulations is getting down. Means that at the next block, the price of the base price, this POT token, will going up more aggressively because the circulation is decreasing. It's like some kind of deflationary concepts. So every time people exit the market, it's actually benefit to those who hold the token, hold the token. So this is the mechanism. So that this is why actually I am very positive that the base price will go up to 1000x. Okay, this is my personal view, but again, don't buy. Okay, because you just use a free money to like speculate on these things. Why I say so is because I'm an influencer. I know how much volume I can bring into the so-called Bybit or exchanges. So if I can find 10 of me, it's actually it's all mathematical, because how much profit and how much backing you can calculate the base price. So if 10 of me, 10 of my 10 ambassador like me going in the market and like promote trader DAOs, and the trading volume is hitting the benchmark, the 0.0001 initial price will shoot up to 0.31, okay, which is 3100x. Okay, but so we do an undervalue estimation is around 1000x. Okay, so as you all know, Chinese market, because I'm in Chinese markets, actually is very small. Maybe Daniel markets or like Western markets, one influencer or KOL that can beat like 50 of me. So this is why I'm very positive on this thing and really keen to share with you guys this opportunity, because we need to admit that this is the opportunity that will get saturated, because when the token circulate too much in the market, of course we're still earning profit. It's still going up the base price because profit keep coming in. But if you like want to have a 10x opportunity, 100x opportunity, when you get in later, this opportunity will like diminish from like time on and on, because the cap is too big. So we need to get in when the cap is still small. So this is a very easy concept. Of course, we have other USP on the road, on the way, but for today, I just focus on POT, proof of trades. Okay, so that for, again, 1st of March, we will launch this officially, as you can go Trader DAO to register. And actually for today, 24th of February, the website already launched, just that you cannot start doing the proof of trade things. You can go and like have a look, like, okay, as you can see, this is the staging version. Okay, so that this is not yet live one. This is for us, like for the back end to have a look. So we are officially working with Bybit, so that you can go to have a look. And this is the dashboard. So as you can see now, I still cannot click it. Okay, but when tonight, okay, UTC time 12 p.m. okay, the website will launch. But for the officially proof of trade minting campaign will start from 1st of March. So between the time you can have a look, and as you can see, whether you can check whether it's legit. All the thing is written on smart contract and it's transparent. So we want to try to do it as a legit way. And again, for you to not bearing any risk, please don't invest anything. You just do what you do as a normal trader. You trade and you get free tokens, and this token has the potential for rising 1000x. Okay, so that's for me. It's simple. Yeah. Yes.
If people have questions, where they can find the community, where they can speak with your team.
Okay, you can always join the Discord. As in Discord, we have like English group, Chinese group. As you can see, the community is quite active. Now it's like for 134 for me in my time. As you can see, people keep typing. And all of the people is organic. We don't do any bot thing, because I'm an influencer. I can like direct some traffic here. So this is Chinese. If you want to ask in English, you can go to the general chat room. As you can see here, 134, 133 is also just recently. Okay, so anything you can just
How
ask.
many people you have in the community of Trader DAO?
Now is 7,300. We just started to like push on social media in the 1st of February. So it's like 24 days, we get in 7,000. It's not very much big amount, but we strongly firm with we want to have organic members. We don't want to like push out the numbers and all the fixed members. So that all this is all genuine and organic members here, so that we hope you guys can join in, maybe can break the 10K members benchmark.
I have another question. The
Yeah.
Trader DAO is going to work only with Bybit, or you are planning to work with several exchanges?
All right, very good questions. We will only work with Bybit, okay? Because actually, I went to Taiwan for three times. Actually, I going to meet one of the founders of Bybit. He is a Taiwanese. It's not banned, okay? So actually, because he know we are a good friend now, and he know I'm doing Trader DAO. The last time I go to Taiwan, he asked me whether you want to consider to list this POT token on Bybit. I say, of course, because this is benefit back to you, because actually we are bringing traffic back to Bybit, so that this is why they have the interest or motive to list us on him. Okay, because if they don't list us on his platform, other exchange maybe will list. Then this is not a good thing for Bybit, so that there is kind of like urgent to like have a mutual consensus with us, so that but we already give them a very clear promise that we will only partner with you. Okay, yeah.
Can you give some numbers regarding the Bybit? I mean, how many users they have?
Bybit, sorry.
Yeah.
You mean the total? Okay,
Yeah.
For the actual number, I don't know, but as you know, Bybit is the second largest exchange for now. Okay, the first of course is Binance. Second now for derivative trading, spot trading is at Bybit. So basically, Bybit is a very credible exchange. This is also why we partner with him, and all the security things and all those like sub account, copy trading. There's a lot of convenient tools in Bybit, and it's very matured. They're always like very good in research products and building products like really for traders. So this is why, for me personally, I really use Bybit for all, because I don't trade on Binance. I only trade on Bybit for my personal trading. Of course, for market making, we do use multiple exchange, but for my personal manual trades, okay, I only use Bybit because it's user friendly and it's beginners friendly. This is for my personal opinion. Yeah.
So I will leave the link in the description of the video regarding Trader DAO, and people will come to the community. They have time until the 1st of March, so it's better that they do the accounts today.
Yeah, sure.
In the night.
Okay, I will give Daniel the so-called the link. Okay, so you guys can use his link to sign up. And okay, I just want to show a quick one. This is the thing we already done. We are not like doing things like we just like bragging and don't do stuff. Actually, we did this project since last year, June. Okay, we keep preparing, we keep brainstorm and try to like condemn ourselves, our mechanism or things like that. Make sure there's no like break inside. All right. So just want to tell you guys, we are really concentrate in this project, and also we're really giving our heart in it. Yeah. So
how many people works for Trader DAO? How many people you have in the project?
20 to 25 for now. We have 3 group of people, but okay, in the total is around 20 to 25. So we have people like modeling the risk, and also people, because 2 of them are actuaries, and 1 came from the banking background doing like risk portfolio management. Those 3 guys is the so-called math guy, and all other people, they have already some experience of doing projects, and they have strong connection with VC. But actually for now, we are not open for VC because we want to like incentivize the community first, and also the people who working with us, which is the ambassador and the so-called BD for our projects. So after our values has appreciated, maybe the POT is already hyping, the price has already shoot up. Only at that time we will like start doing VC things. But although now we have the VC connection, we will not do it. But I'm really confident that our team is strong enough to do all this stuff like smart contract. And because all this team is not formed just like for now. Actually, we have been together for like 3 years times already. Yeah. So this is all. Yeah.
Anson, I wish you all the best of luck with the project. And also, if people are interested about what quant trading means, because I see you have a T-shirt with the Balena Quant, right? I don't see the camera.
Actually, I'm at the office right now.
Okay.
Yeah, as you can see here. Yeah, this is all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think it will be interesting because a lot of people, they don't know what it is a balena doing, what quant means. And yeah, okay.
Yeah, sure.
Also, people, if they want to see you, you have this channel.
Yeah, but it's in Mandarin. But as you can just follow, and if you want. If you guys like motorsport, I'm a drifter, the car drifting, as you can see. If you guys motorsport, you can.
Community for how many years you are in the crypto?
Since 2019, so it's now 4 years. 4 years.
So you catch the bull market and the bear market.
Yeah, actually, my first bucket of gold came from bear market. Because I'm doing derivative, I'm doing shorts. Then of course the next bull is the big bull. Of course, we know it's a great opportunity, and also now it's also bear market. It's actually for me it's a great opportunity to prepare ourselves. This is also why we are doing project where despite the market is not so good, but we believe that the bull is going to come back soon. As you can see, the Hong Kong is already like accepting crypto stuff like that. I can like feel a bit like back to 2020, like the DCG, the GBDC. We'll keep following up. Maybe the bull will come early as we expected, because now everyone is speculating for the bull market to come at like 2024 because of the Bitcoin halving. But maybe it will come earlier. I don't know. This is my just opinion. Of course, we will need to follow up. This is not a call. Okay, we still need to look back the chart, as you all know. All right. Yeah. And as you can see, I'm a real trader for now. As you can see, I'm opening a positions. Of course, now it's floating in losses, but I'm still holding the short position because I'm looking for a dump right now. Okay. So as you can see, you can go, and that's all. It's a bit naggy already. So yeah, that's all.
Anson, thank you so much. Good luck with the DAO. I will invite you again to speak about trading and quants and balena and markets. Maybe we do together like a live trading session.
Yeah, sure.
We keep in touch.
Yeah, we keep in touch. And thank you again for having me here. And you guys are great. Thank you for thank you for watching through this. Thank you. All right. Okay. Done.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can stop.